Hello everyone, this is Tamara Lenkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com and my friend Kelly here. I'm going to let her do most of the talking, but you came in and got a variety bundle, you make your own meat, okay?
Yep, I got the variety bundle, made my own meat because I have COPD from having COVID last year. I have Crohn's disease pretty much all my life. And I just wanted to get healthy. I didn't even really want to lose weight, but I've been doing this for about a week and a half and I've lost 11 pounds. And my oxygen level has gone up. I was consistently like a 86 to about 92. I'm now hitting the 95s regularly. So it's a huge, huge blessing in my life that I found this.
You said something else and now I forgot what you said. You told me something else. I said you have to say that in the video. I don't remember.
Well, I mean, it just tastes great. My mom, you know, with diabetes, she loves it. I was making things for people. My boyfriend loves it. And it's so good. Like, I can't believe how everything is so good.
Yeah, and the thing is, guys, you got to remember, this is the reason this works and it undoes all the diseases you have in your body, honestly, is because you're eating so clean. You're eating superfood ingredients. Like when my heart failed and I put all this stuff together, I didn't know I was putting together cake mixes and bread mixes. I just figured, okay, what's good for the heart? I'm going to throw this together. Coconut flour is good for the heart. Flaxseed is good for the heart. Nutritional yeast is good for the heart. And that's what I did. So guys, that's why this works. This is just another testimony. All these videos you see are just customers that walk in and tell me, oh my gosh, I'm down this many pounds. I'm down this. And that's why we make a video. These are real life stories, guys. Again though, me, I'll never lose 11 pounds in a week and a half, okay? But there are people that do. Some of us, we've got, you know, I've got greater health issues and so it takes more for me to drop a little bit of weight. But we love you guys. The biggest thing is now that the holiday season is coming up soon, please don't cheat. I am going to give you...
You won't want to with this stuff.
That's right.
I didn't crave bread. I didn't crave
Amen.
snacks. I didn't crave chips. I didn't crave anything this whole time. And that's crazy for me because I love those things.
Because you're satisfying your craving.
Yes.
You're not depriving yourself of bread. You're eating bread, but it's a healthy bread. It's a protein bread. Most bread is all fat and all carbs. Our bread is literally all protein and very little fat and just about 2 net carbs, okay? So that's what makes us different from everyone else. And the other thing that makes us different, even though our brownies might taste like a Ghirardelli brownie, there is nothing in our brownie that's in a Ghirardelli brownie, okay? You're eating all superfood ingredients and you're eating high protein. So we love you guys. Come see us. Don't cheat while the holidays are coming up. We will give you tons of recipes, okay? You can come to the Davison Farmers Market. We're here every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 9 to 5. Like us on Facebook, Healthy Treats Market. Join the Healthy Treats Market support group on Facebook. Subscribe to Healthy Treats Market on YouTube. And be sure to go on HealthyTreatsMarket.com. Look at the cafe menu. Look at the recipe book that's there. And there's more bundles there now that you can order if you want to start out a little bit smaller and just try everything, okay? Visit us at HealthyTreatsMarket.com. Thank you so much for watching and God bless you.
You won't regret it.
Thank you so much.